Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. I'm a Chicagoland tech for screen printing equipment, and I'm going to tell you about this Allen Bradley contactor. So I also do air compressor repairs and other equipment, but these contactors are on most machines. It could be, this one in particular came out of I believe a 15 horsepower or 10 horsepower rotary screw. And this would turn the engine, the motor on when the air pressure was low. So, and this blew, and I'm going to tell you the main causes of why these go. But on the screen printing machine, they could turn on the machine, they could turn on a motor. You can have two of them for one direction and the other for the other direction, like on a American Daytona graphic press. A lot of times they turn on a vacuum motor. So these simply turn on and off machines, motors and machines. They're not much different than this. So, but on the next video, I'll take this apart and show you some stuff. So the number one thing that goes wrong with this contactor is the coil, and the coil brings the contacts together, because this is normally open, meaning there's no electricity from here to here. This is my cheap continuity tester I got for like 10 bucks. So if there was a good circuit, this would light up because there's a battery in here. So see? So buy one of these. It's Gardner Bender or something. So if I push this thing in, you never want to do this with, well, it's not working because I have it kind of taken apart. But the number one thing that goes wrong with these is the contactor, but I don't believe it's the problem on this one. I'll tell you. So you test it with the continuity tester or a multimeter. See, it turns on. So that's either good or it's broken and the wires, the windings are, you know, touching. They're not insulated, so it still shows that it's good. But I don't think that's the problem on this. My thinking is that there's 3 contactors, and either the tab, the contact points, usually made of silver, is unevenly it's uneven on all 3 legs. So maybe 2 of the 3 legs go on, or one of the 3, or it's bent, or it's missing the contact, or this is not going down perfectly down. So, and I've seen that, because what happens with electricity is things get hot and get distorted. So this plunger may go on an angle and it might not hit perfectly. So that's the problems with these. So this is an Allen Bradley 100. So this could be used on single phase or 3 phase, and so you have to get like for like. Sometimes you can change out just the contactors and save some money. So it does mount on a DIN rail, or you can screw it in there. So the next video will cover, I'll take it apart, or probably just take it apart before and then reassemble and show you the components. It's nothing really difficult to understand. You don't want to do any of this with electricity on. Sometimes you can toggle this, but you have to be very, and see if the motor is good. So, because this will go in and out with electromagnetic force. So, thank you, and like this video. There'll be a second or third video on this. So that's the channel. Subscribe. Thank you.